Alright YouTube, back at you again live. Well, not live, but we will be soon, I promise you. I want to shoot a video about some trailers, because we've done a lot of trailers lately, and we're coming into the fall time, so it's going to start getting cooler in the afternoons, but it's still hot in midday. So what happens is they get mildew, and they get like a stain, and it will like tree saps, and it's really tough to get off of here. And this is aluminum siding. So you can do a couple things. You can use some APC, which is what we're going to use today, which is it's McGuire's all-purpose cleaner. There'll be a link on our site and down below the video. By the way, like us and subscribe to us. Greatly appreciate that, guys. So what you're going to do is you're going to wet the surface down with the water hose, and don't be stingy with the water. Matter of fact, I was stingy. Hang on one second. Go. Now, get it nice and wet. What you're going to do is you're going to spray your APC on the surface. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take a toothbrush, just like this, and you're going to sit here and scrub for about 3-4 hours on about a foot surface. Just kidding. Who would really do that, honestly? All right. This brush is fantastic. There's also a link on our website, and I'll put a link underneath the video to where you can see this. There's a bigger one and a small one. This is the bigger one. Then there's a smaller one too. This stuff is real hard to get off. Just plain soap and water will not take it off. It will not. I've done it many times. And the microfiber won't do it either. I mean, you can, but it will kill you. Your arm will be just falling off. It'll be so hard by just the microfiber. And don't let it dry. Whatever you do, do not let this stuff dry on here. You'll never get it off. And trailers, they're just maintenance. Just like motorhomes, campers, RVs, you name it. Because they sit outside in the weather. Unless they're in a shed or unless they're in some sort of a shelter, they're going to have water stains and mildew, tree sap, all the above. And it will come off. It's just going to take some time. Some guys will use bleach. I'm not a fan of that because a couple reasons. Number one, if you don't dilute it right, you're going to get it all over your clothes. You're going to get it all over the ground, in the grass, wildlife. You're going to kill that. You're going to kill everything. And not to mention, if you don't dilute it perfectly right, you'll damage the object you're cleaning. You will damage it. Wow, look at that. It's amazing. And you can see right here, that mildew and the caulking, the trim, it's a real pain in the butt to get out of that. You may have to use a steamer if you have a steamer. If you don't, then just keep scrubbing on it. Just make sure you do this in a very well ventilated area, because depending on what kind of cleaner you're using, APC, all-purpose cleaner, very strong, hard on the lungs. All right, let's hit it again. And you know what, guys? I think I will use a toothbrush on that small little bit of area. come back to this trim right here. This is going to be a little stubborn. So we'll hit it next time. Probably another 10-15 minutes. Let it dry up. Go back and redo it again. And once again, guys, if you have any questions, post them. I'll answer as soon as I can. And once again, like us, subscribe to us, thumbs up. And until next time, guys, see ya.